Ulefone Power Armor 13. They officially launched Power Armor 13 model, and once again it's quite a monster. Power Armor 13 is a great breakthrough in battery capacity, not only limited in Ulefone itself, but also the world's. It has built-in 13.200 mAh massive battery, the world's largest battery rugged phone so far, and supports 33W fast charging, 15W wireless charging, and 5W wireless reverse charging. Under the hood, the Power Armor 13 is powered by Helio G95 chipset, coupled with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. You can increase the extra capacity up to 1TB with MicroSD card too. It runs on latest Android 11 with all its benefits, smooth multitasking, and clean user experience. On the front, the phone flaunts a 6.81-inch FHD Plus display for the immersive feeling and ultra-clear images. And 16MP front selfie camera captures stunning selfies, so you will never miss the best moments. Main quad rear camera system includes a 48MP main sensor, 8MP wide-angle camera, 2MP macro camera, and 2MP sub-camera. And 5 high brightness LED flash diodes aside the camera system are helpful for lighting up night photos to further the quality in low light shots. It also supports 4K video recording and more. As for other features, Power Armor 13, for example, adds infrared distance measuring function, which is not available in previous models. New Pies also supports headset-free FM radio, which means audio can play through speakers directly. Rugged IP68/69K certifications for waterproof, dustproof and shockproof qualities are a given too. Other features include face unlock, fingerprint ID, NFC, GPS positioning system, and much more.